Untie the Knot is your essential divorce companion. In the state of Colorado, 80% of divorces have at least one party of the two that elects to handle the process without an attorney, yet arriving at a successful outcome is a specialist skill, where experience really makes a difference. Many will find the paperwork to be complicated and unfamiliar, and if they need to attend court, that environment has its own language, required ways of behaving that might feel intimidating in the moment. Additionally, there are often important topics that those of us who are not experts may simply not think to include in the agreements, causing disagreements in the future. What role do any future step-parents have? What happens if the child wants to change their religion? Are you aligned on the preferred type of education? What is your approach to sleepovers at different ages, etc.? There are multiple reasons though why someone goes it alone, including being unable to meet the upfront expenses of hiring legal counsel, or thinking that their particular divorce situation is simple and amicable, and don't think they need a third party to be involved. Without a guide by their side, these individuals often only realize the downsides of what they have agreed to in a legally binding document after it is too late. In our discussion, Kelly highlights some of the worst consequences of self-representation. Self-represented and fully supported. This is why Kelly created Untie the Knot so that everyone dealing with divorce in Colorado can have a guide through the divorce process. Untie the Knot is a video series presented by Kelly herself that teaches you the parts of the law that you really must understand to successfully complete the paperwork to file a case. For each phase of the process, there is a video that breaks it down for you and helps you avoid all the common mistakes. Every member has a private coaching session to discuss the specifics of their own case and a chance to ask any questions that they have, and access to private Facebook groups where a community of members can help each other through the process. If you are facing divorce and are choosing to go it alone, or if you are working with an attorney but want to understand the process in more depth and at your own pace, get the education and support you need to represent yourself with confidence. Podcast marketing by Amp.fm. Quotes. Court is truly a different environment. You talk about speed and there's language, there's procedure. You talk differently, you dress differently, there's a cadence and a procedure that's different and unlike any other place ever. 6:11 to 6:34, Kelly. What are some of the consequences when people self-represent? 8:13 to 8:18, Dax. That's also what Untie the Knot talks about, is expectations not just of yourself as a party but of the other party, of the court, so that we're really level setting and we're really talking the truth. 11:47 to 12:01, Kelly. So going through those exercises, you can start with what your initial thoughts and priorities are. Untie the Knot then teaches you which of those are even real or feasible or ever going to happen. You can reassess your own priorities and then go back to the process. 1848, Dax. Attorneys should not have a dog in the fight. They should want their client to make the most informed decision possible, irrespective of what the outcome is. At the end of the day, I as a lawyer just want to make sure you understand your agreement. 23:18 to 28:43, Kelly. Links. Untie the Knot, your essential divorce companion. https://www.untiethenotgo.com. Apply to be on The Achievers Show. https://jointheachievers.com/apply/. The Achievers is proudly partnered with Fireside for Small Business Marketing. https://meetfireside.com. Learn how to start your own successful podcast. https://jointheachievers.com/podcasting.